Act 1. Attention. What if I told you you could build a full-time YouTube channel without ever showing your face and make thousands every single month? Sounds fake? Not in 2025. Because now, AI is doing all the heavy lifting. Imagine uploading videos while sipping coffee in your bedroom and watching views, dollars, and freedom pile up. Let's break down how to launch your own faceless YouTube channel using AI step by step. Act 2. The process. Step-by-step how-to. Step 1. Choose a high RPM niche. Pick a topic like finance, personal injury law, AI tools, or motivation. Why? Because these niches pay more per 1,000 views. That means fewer views, more income. Step 2. Script creation. Use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate high-converting, emotion-driven scripts. Add storytelling, fear, urgency, and curiosity, just like this video. Step 3. Voiceover. No mic? No problem. Use 11 Labs or Flicky to create realistic, human-sounding AI voiceovers. You can even choose accents that appeal to US audiences. Step 4. Video editing with AI. Platforms like Pictory, Lumen 5, or InVideo can turn your script to voice into a complete video with visuals, B-roll, and subtitles. No editor needed. Step 5. Thumbnails and titles. Use AI tools like Canva or Thumbly to create eye-catching thumbnails that stop scrolling thumbs. Your title should trigger curiosity. Ask a question, hint at secrets, or promise value. Step 6. Upload and optimize. Schedule videos at peak times for US viewers, 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. PKTA. Add tags, strong description, end screen, and cards. Act 3. Emotional payoff and CTA. Now imagine this. 6 months from now, your faceless channel is earning passive income. You've never been on camera, but your videos are pulling in views while you sleep. You started with nothing. No team, no studio, no experience. Just your phone and a dream. But here's the truth. Most people will watch this video and still do nothing. You're not most people, so take action today. Your future self will thank you. Watch this next. Top 5 AI websites to make passive income in 2025. I reveal real tools you can use right now. This is NextGen Hustle, where smart people build